What's up everybody, Phil with Photo Gear Fun here. Today I want to show you how to transfer files, video files from your Sony camera to your iPad. And this is an iPad 2018. This is the a6400. The key is this little device here. That's the USB camera kit. I'll leave a link down below to the one that I use. This is not the official Apple kit. Basically you plug your Lightning to USB in, turn the camera on. You're going to plug the USB cable in, and then basically you'll see that the camera is going to connect and bring up your Photos app. I wanted to show you that you can connect as you see here and show you how this is actually possible. There are a few settings in the camera that you need to change. So go into your setup menu and you want to look at your USB connection setting. Set that to MTP. Make sure it's set to MTP and not mass storage. USB lens setting, you can set that to single. It works for me with both multi and single, but if it's not working with multi, set that to single. And make sure you turn your USB power supply to off. That's another key. You have to make sure that the iPad's not trying to supply power to the camera. If you can't change your setting for the USB mode, go over to Control a Smartphone here and make sure that you turn that off. If Control a Smartphone is on and you go back and you try to change your setting for your USB mode, you can see here that once you get to the USB connection setting, that's grayed out. And it's because your Control a Smartphone is set to on. So make sure that you go back and on your Connect menu or Network 1 menu, set your Control a Smartphone setting to off. And then if you want to change it back so you can control it with a smartphone, you can certainly do that. But for this to work, you need to do that. And now you can see your settings should be MTP, single, and then USB power supply off. So now that we're connected to the iPad, basically we can just select the video files that we want to transfer. Click on Import or tap on Import. Tap on Import selected. The first one's done. This is not real time, by the way. It takes a little longer. Now the second one's done. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this really quick demonstration on how to transfer files from your Sony camera. I tried it on the a6400, a6500, and a7 III. Get out there and have your photo gear fun. I will talk at you again in the next video.